The target position specified when executing the program must be registered as point data in advance. In this chapter, I will explain about the point registration. There are 3 ways to register point data. The first way is remote teaching. This is a method to move the robot to the target position by jog operation and register the coordinate position. The second way is direct teaching. In this method, the robot is moved by human hands in the emergency stop state and register the coordinate position. The third way is key input. This is a method of directly entering the coordinates as numerical values. Let's actually operate it. Let's look at each way in turn. First is remote teaching. From the initial menu screen, select Operation, then Jog to display the jog screen. On the jog screen, first specify the point number to register. There are 2 ways to specify the point number. This is a method by key input. Move the cursor to the point number, enter the value, and press the Enter key to confirm. The input range is 0 to 29,999, total 30,000 points can be selected. This is a method by incremental. Move the cursor to the up-down arrow and press the Enter key one by one. After specifying the point number, use the jog key to move the robot to the target position. Please see the movie jog operation for how to operate the jog. After moving to the target position, press F3 key. A confirmation message Execute Teach is displayed. Move the cursor to OK, and press the Enter key to register the current position to the specified point number. Move the cursor to cancel and press the Enter key to close the message screen without executing Teach. Then, I will explain about direct teaching. Select Operation then Jog from the initial menu screen to display the jog screen. On the jog screen, first specify the point number to register. Same way as remote teaching. Next, press the emergency stop switch and confirm that the servo is off. Please note that it is very dangerous to enter the robot movable range while the servo is on. When the servo is off, you can move the robot arm by your hand. The brake must be released when moving the vertical axis by your hand. Please see the movie servo operation for how to release brake. When releasing the brake, be careful not to pinch your hands or body as it may fall due to gravity. After the robot position is fixed, press F3 key. Select OK and press Enter key to register, as mentioned. I will explain point register by key input. From the initial menu screen, select Edit, then Point Edit to display the Edit Point screen. The current position is shown in the blue screen area labeled Current. 2 point data are displayed below it. Edit the point data in yellow letters on the upper side. On the Point Edit screen, you can change the point numbers to be edited one by one, by pressing the up and down cursor keys. The jump function is used to jump to different point numbers. Press the F1 key to display jump screen. Enter the point number and press the Enter key. Then move the cursor to OK and press the Enter key to confirm. To edit point data, select each element with the cursor key and enter the value with the data key. Finally, press the Enter key to register. Each point data has 10 elements. First, I will explain the point name. Point name is displayed here, right side of point number. The point name is used to refer to the point data from the program. Position data can be referenced by variable name instead of point number. Entering a point name is optional. You can leave it blank. By using a name that indicates the purpose of the point, it will help you to understand the processes of the program. There are rules for the characters that can be used in point names. The maximum length is 16 characters, and only alphabets, numbers, and underscores can be used. Also, you cannot use a number as the first character. Also, you cannot enter a point name that duplicates another point. Next, I will explain the coordinate value data for each axis. There are 6 axis elements, and the number at the beginning shows the axis number. If there is a blank in the elements, input format error will occur. Be sure to enter values for all axes, even if they are unused, such as entering 0. Enter either an integer or a real for the coordinate value. If you enter an integer number, the value will be treated as a motor pulse. If you enter a real number, the data will be treated as the position in Cartesian coordinate system. When the value is integer like P5 on the screen, it means the motor pulse position of each axis. Let's move the robot to the position P5. Each motor moves to the position of 100 pulse, 100 pulse, 30 pulse, 0 pulse. When the values are real like P6 on the screen, it means the robot tip position in Cartesian coordinates. Let's move the robot to the position P6. Robot tip moves to the position where the X is 100.0, Y is 100.0, Z is 30.0, and rotation 0.0 degrees in Cartesian coordinates. In this way, the robot moves to different positions depending on whether there is a decimal point. Please be careful when inputting. So what about coordinate values that have a mixture of integer and real values? Point data cannot be registered when integer and real values are mixed. If there is at least one real value, all element values are automatically changed to real values when the data is registered. Finally, I will explain the flag data. FLG is an ARM-type flag. This value is valid only for SCARA robots. When the input value is 1, the right arm is specified, when it is 2, the left arm is specified, and when it is 0, arm type is not specified. If the position data is integer of motor pulse, the arm type flag is invalid. FG1 and FG2 are special flag data that are valid only for YKTW series robots. Not valid for other models. Entering flag data is optional. You can leave it blank. This concludes the instruction of point registration.